This is the original picture of size 115 KB that I have resized to medium quality using MacBook, and now the size is 64 KB. I further resized it to a small quality and the size is now just 21 KB. I did all of it just from MacBook without internet or any other app. So in next 30 seconds I'll teach you how you can do so, how to resize any image just by using your MacBook default features. So first, as you can see, let's delete these images first so we can create another version. So this is my original picture. Just right click it, go to quick actions, and then you can click on convert image. Once we click on it, here you can also change this format from JPG to PNG to HEIF. So I am keeping it PNG, and then you can click on actual size, large, medium, small. If you want medium, just click on medium and then click on convert to JPG. That's it, boom. Now another image gets created with size approximately half in the same folder, and as you can see, this is my original image which we can put here, and this is the medium size image